Formnext 2018 is approaching. What can you expect from us? A lot. For the first time, we are going to present our new selective laser sintering system, the Sintratec S2, live to the global audience. In this solution, the top customer feedbacks have been integrated by our R&D engineers, such as reducing the production downtime, making material diversity possible, and especially simplifying the powder handling process. Our CEO, Dominik Solenicki, will personally present you the entire solution on this channel, thefutureofSLS.com, in 7 days. So, visit us, talk to us, and discover the Sintratec S2 solution live on site. Me and the entire Sintratec exhibition team are looking forward to meet you personally in Frankfurt soon.